Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demo of the American Sign Language Recognition project using various machine learning algorithm. So here we are going to use logistic regression, SVM, and the random forest kind of algorithm to recognize the American Sign Language or the hand gestures which are done in front of the camera. So basically, this approach will be a database based approach. So initially, we will be having a data set, and then we will train that data set using all these algorithms, and then we will compare the results of all those algorithms. So this is actually the paper supporting the idea. And coming back to the implementation part, so this is implemented is in Python using the Flask framework of Python for the web GUI development. And we are using the HTML and CSS files. So this is HTML and CSS coding for the web GUI development. And now here we are using logistic regression algorithm, then we are using random forest algorithm, and then we are using support vector machine algorithm, and so many Python codes to implement all those algorithms. So once it is running, we will have to visit the Google Chrome or any other browser. As it is web application, it will run through the browser, and we will type localhost colon 5000 on the browser. So this kind of interface will open and all the predictions will be here. And one more important thing about this project is that once something is like alphabet, English alphabets A to Z we are using, if some alphabet is recognized, it will automatically speak out that alphabet as well, and it will also print the result over here. Now let's choose something. So we will be picking up this, for example. This is B actually, upload. So this is uploaded over here. And once I click on test, it is picking out all these results, and also it is printing the correct prediction whatever it has recognized for this particular hand gesture. So this is how this is implemented. So in case you need the complete coding for this particular project, along with the documentation parts, then you may check out the description box under this video. Thank you.